have the pleasure of doing lashes on my model, Nicola, and she is allowing me to do whatever I want on her today. Her only request is that they are noticeably natural. When someone says that to me, first off, I show photos to make sure that I understand what they want out of their lash set. But secondly, I almost always grab for 3D 0.07 lashes. Now, depending on your client and their natural lash count, sometimes 3D can look super natural, sometimes it can look super dramatic, depending on how many natural lashes they have, their natural lash lift. That's a whole video in itself, which we do have on our styling mini course and online if you check out our video, Mapping 101. I think you'll really like that video. But today, I'm going to play around with our 3D Ultra Dark pre-fan lashes. They are a little bit of a darker version of our standard pre-fan lashes. So they're a brand new fiber of lashes that are really, really flexible, but just super dark. So if you loved our standard pre-fan lashes, but every client wants just a little bit more, great product to try out.